Welcome back. So in this video, I'll show you how to import a live group into a new Katana project so another artist can add and assign materials. In this scene, I have some temporary lights and render nodes set up already. Now I'll click File, Import Live Group, and choose the .live group file that we exported earlier. If you did want to import a Katana scene, then you could select a .katana project from this same dialog. But I'm going to choose the live group. Now you can place the live group down in the node graph and connect it to the rest of the node graph. And you'll see that everything is exactly how we left it. So from here, another artist can begin working on creating the materials, which can also be stored in a separate live group. I'll open another Katana scene to show you a more developed example. So now we have a full scene set up with the materials and assignments, lighting and render nodes, and if any changes are made to the scene setup, then you can right-click and choose Reload to update the live group. You can also clear the caches in the Katana scene by clicking the Flush Caches button to reload any live group files. So if you have multiple live groups in a scene and you wanted to update all of them, flushing the caches will do that. The live groups will also update if you close and reopen the project. So for example, if I jump back to the previous scene, where I published the live group, I could decide that I want this chair to be in a different position. So I can add a Transform 3D node, move it slightly, and when I'm happy with it, I can publish the live group again, jump back to the other Katana scene, and reload the live group. So just to cover the other options here, when you right-click a live group, you can also choose to load in a different live group if you've been versioning them as you make changes. Or, if you're editing the contents of a live group, you can then choose to revert it to reload from its current source and discard any changes made while it was unlocked. So now these two sections are being saved and versioned separately from the rest of the project, allowing both artists to work in parallel. And at the end of the day, they just need to reload the live groups and the project is all up to date. In the next video, I'll cover the common practice for versioning live groups when working in production.